Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for December 28th, 2016. It's about 11 minutes after the close. We had a great session in the gold room today. Luckily, I was bearish right here. I don't know how I figured that one out. Actually, I do. I go on the ESs and the NQs. I go on how the leading stocks are doing. The leading stocks started to roll over. Made me realize the ESs probably weren't going to go up, and that's exactly what happened. So just to let you know. So today, we have the ESs only up 150. Believe it or not, close almost on their low for the day. With the NQs up only 20. Believe it or not, the NQs at one time, see 49.62? Go and put the NQs on the right. One time they hit 49.94. They were 32 points higher. So at one time, they were up 52 balloons in here. Unbelievable. Yeah, the Russell up 440. Russell was much higher earlier also, up to almost the 1381 level. Bonds down 17 in here. Not really getting pummeled, considering a lot of the individual grain stocks, which to me, commodities, sort of are a tell to me about future inflation. They soared today. Bonds down 17 is actually a major victory if you're a long bond holder. You have the Dow Jones Industrials up only 11. Oh, they got so close to 20,000 in there. 19,982. But that's as far as it could get. SPX up 5. Yeah, the Russell, like I said, the actual Russell index up 6. Yeah, the transport's only up 8 here. Crude oil up 80. Gold up 640. Silver up 24. Finally having a nice day. Look at this. Little inflation today at least. Yeah, the dollar up just fractionally. Yeah, the advanced decline all day was up, but it really couldn't get above up 700 the later in the day. That was a good tell that the ESs weren't going to go nuts. Yeah, the VIX itself up 54. VIX futures at a big old premium to VIX, and see how it tightened up by about 77 cents. Yeah, the UVXY down 20 cents in here. And yeah, the German DAX up just fractionally. Chinese market down fractionally in here. The other thing to definitely keep in mind, I watch this, is the put-call ratio. When both the put-call, these two indexes on the far left over here on your screen are down near the 0.50 level, that shows a lot of complacency, so just keep that in mind in there. So where do we go from here? Basically, ESs. I've been trying to warn everybody this during the day, that when this bull flag first thing in the morning stopped working, the chances are it just wasn't going to be a bull flag. What I mean by that is go to the left and put up a 15-minute chart of the ESs. I did a whole class on overbought in a downtrend, oversold in an uptrend, all this stuff. Oversold in an uptrend, you would have thought right here it would surge and go to a new high in a holiday trading. Instead, we just worked off the oversold in a really crappy way. The way algorithms work, the second this low is broken, right there, they have a target to just sell at the market if you go to a new low. Look right there. Look at all this twerking going on in this area. And the second it broke, right there, it went straight down. That's what algorithms do. They target lows and highs. It works all the time in here. Look at the NASDAQ. Same thing in here. Go to the NQ. And you're going to notice that the second it broke there, that was it. The hardest thing in trading is to be opinionated back here and want to short here all the way up. And when it's here, you're like, well, I missed it. Well, you know what? 9 points is 9 points. That's the way I look at it in there. We have other ways to get in earlier, but that's in the free videos you get with your subscription. So to let you know, we still have the 7-day, 30-day trial. Not going to have it that much longer. It's been such a success. It includes your chat room where it's open 24 hours, but I'm on live from 9 to 10 every morning. You have the premium videos, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. You have the email alerts every morning. I give at least 6 trade ideas. Today I had 6 longs, 6 shorts, and I have at least 6 index and futures charts. I also post unusual option activity when I see it. I don't post 1,000 different option ideas where you don't know which one to act on and then brag when one hits. I try to post ones that will work. The other thing, and this has become a big part of our site, is the meetup. Every 2 weeks, I try to do a video, every 2 to 3 weeks, of that are free, that are learning videos, anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour. We have 6 coming up. Train your brain, learning feel and trading. One of the things I was known for on the floor and when I was with a day trading firm for 9 years was I was one of the best at feel. And I'll tell you on how I do it in there. I love to be mechanical and use charts, but you have to combine it with feel, which worked wonderfully today. If you go in here, we're going to have these 6 episodes. And then the best part is they go in on demand in all these videos here. All you have to do is, once you're a subscriber, all these, a lot of other places charge $99 a pop. Ours are free. They go with your subscription. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you could take us up on our $7 offer. Literally thousands have. So everybody take care, and I will talk to you tomorrow.